So as I said, oyster farmers can be pretty industrious and creative with the things that we find on the water. And one of the things we see pretty frequently is seaweed. And there are a lot of really delicious edible types of seaweed out there. Pretty frequently I've been seeing sugar kelp on the water. So I have made a sugar kelp mignonette. So I make the sugar kelp mignonette by soaking 2-3 ounces of dried sugar kelp in apple cider vinegar overnight. And then you strain out the sugar kelp, add in 5 cloves, not of garlic, actual cloves. And then, yeah, exactly. And then some black pepper, and there you have it. So delicious. It's a little bit sweet.
Yeah.
Which
and portable
I like.
for the boat.
And portable for the boat, exactly.
That's great.